Hey guys, Rick with CR Lawn Maintenance. Nope, Rick with CR Lawn and Snow Maintenance. Appreciate you guys checking in on the YouTube channel. That's what this intro's for. It's been a long time coming. Long story short, been pushed by quite a few people as that reminder of, hey, you had a goal as far as making content. I can tell you that I recorded tons of content over this last 2024 season, but I did not go through the process of editing and putting it together. There's a handful of a couple times that I did take some content with my phone and get some stuff posted to Instagram, but nothing to YouTube, and I am a little disappointed and embarrassed that I didn't. So here's another go at it. Let's see if we can make it happen at the end of 2024 and get 2025 squared away. So real time right now, it is Christmas Eve of 2024. Just did a handful of plow runs this morning with my wife, and then ran over, had breakfast with my buddy, making a couple runs right now, and then headed back home so we can get ready for the family to come over Christmas Eve for dinner tonight. So a lot of the content that this video will be attached to will be just of me plowing. Some salting probably. I don't remember exactly. I think all the salting's on my cell phone. The plowing's on the action camera. But let me know, out of the plowing video, I'll probably have it sped up a little bit. But tell me what you guys think. How am I doing? It's my first year with a plow on a truck. I'm running a Chevy 1500 LTZ, but it's still a half ton, so it's not something that I can put this big V plow on. So I'm running a 7.6 Boss standard duty. Shout out to my Uncle Jim for helping me get that squared away and taken care of. It was kind of one of those, yep, I'm going to have one. Yep, I'm going to have one. Started getting all this work lined up, and I never. So long story short, we made it happen. So now we got a couple plow runs under our belt. We got some salt runs under our belt. And I got to say, the month of December, God has been good to us. We're overbooked for the season, which is a little frustrating trying to get it done, but that's where I got a couple guys, two different guys that I got helping me doing the shoveling for me. So I don't have them coming out every time I make a run, but definitely on those bigger runs that I, for sure, it's taken 6 hours for two guys to get through with plowing and shoveling, and that's not even doing all of it. So lessons learned. I'm already planning and preparing for next year, making changes on the fly, and we're figuring it out, making things happen. So let me know what you guys think. I got two different angles. One that I was trying that on the plow, so I will watch the content and see how I like it. Let you guys let me know what you think. And then shout out to Blades out of Minnesota. One of his recent YouTube videos, I actually asked him how he mounts his action camera, and he's just putting it basically right on top of the roof above his seat. So I did that for this morning. So I got a most recent run with that for a little bit. So I'm excited to see what that turned out to be like. And we still have tons more content to come your guys' way. So please stick it out with me. Let's see what we can make happen, grow the channel. If you aren't already following me on Instagram, go to CRLawnWI and follow me on Instagram. That's where I primarily have been trying to get content put up, but we're getting YouTube ramped up and squared away as well. So we'll go from there and get her done. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what you guys think, what you guys want to see. Merry Christmas to you and yours. I appreciate you. Much love, no stress, and God bless.
advantages. There are two things.
Did you hear any of that? He was worried because his backyard gets flooded every year. So with all the snow being melted, that was actually one of those things where it was kind of perfect timing. Because like I said last time we were here, I'm like, we gotta put it all over there. And I was like, yeah, no, actually this is the most that will ever be here. It will be very minimal with me stacking it here. I already changed that game plan because I didn't want to wreck the fence. I said, so yeah, this will be the most that it's here. Yo,
What's up?
I can go in there. I'll do what I want.